always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
And before we get to our local forecast, we are taking a live look at the Big Apple. Beautiful city. It is Christmas time. The National Weather Service says New York City is seeing temperatures in the high 40s and 50s. Not cold enough for slow, but New Yorkers could see some light showers there. And I know I mentioned Christmas, Shane, but that's what I'm thinking about at this time of year in New York. Not here, though.
Look, you can't skip Thanksgiving. Chelsea, it's this week.
I know.
You know what? We're bringing things back here to South Florida because we're a lot warmer. We fled New York to try and enjoy what Mother Nature has to offer. Right now, you're taking a live look toward the airport, which is certainly going to be a busy place over the next couple of days as we lead up to Thanksgiving. Not as busy for us weather-wise for the next couple of days, but that changes as we get toward Thanksgiving. We've got a warm week ahead for us, but there are some rain chances sprinkled in the extended forecast now. In addition to that, we have a cool down just around the corner as well, so a lot to look forward to. Tomorrow morning, we're going to wake up to a mild start, mid-60s rather in Homestead, upper 60s in Miami and Fort Lauderdale, a mild beginning in the Keys in the lower 70s. But let me give you a look at what we can expect as we navigate throughout the day tomorrow. I think that we are going to kind of stall out in the lower 80s, maybe a little bit closer to the mid 80s as you make your way further inland. Today was absolutely gorgeous, but we had a high of 85 degrees. That's trending about 4 to 5 degrees warmer than we are accustomed to this time of the year. You do see a 10% chance for some stray showers starting late tomorrow morning through the afternoon and early evening. I think most of us are going to stay dry tomorrow, but as that cold front that's moving in from the north basically fizzles apart to our north, it could help to provide enough lift along with some moisture that's moving in from the Atlantic. We'll have that easterly breeze tomorrow, and look at that, around 11 o'clock we could see a stray shower moving along the coastline of Broward County, pushing further inland for the afternoon. And then as we head into the overnight hours, I see things being quite quiet for us. In fact, Tuesday should be pretty dry for us as well. Those winds will shift out of the southeast as we make our way into Wednesday. The reason I highlight that, you're going to notice some moisture in the form of cloud coverage, but also the humidity is going to rise a bit. Now, that is also going to provide us with more moisture for that next cold front, the second one I was talking to you about, to maybe cause some shower activity for the back half of our week. Highs tomorrow, as I mentioned, going to be a little bit closer to average, but still trending warmer than average. In fact, the week ahead, I think we're going to have mostly warmer than average temperatures with highs in the lower to mid 80s for the most part, but then that second cold front swings through. What are we expecting across the country? Well, you can see that as people are going to be taken to the skies or maybe even the roads, we are going to see a mess for the Midwest and then maybe to the northeast as this area of low pressure drags a cold front through the eastern coastline. Now, I don't see this impacting us here in South Florida until the end of Thanksgiving into Black Friday, but I think ahead of that front, we could see some stray showers. Now, the good news is things start to clear out for most of the country as we close out the week and head into the holiday weekend. I do think our rainfall chances will trend closer to around a 30%, 20 to 30% chance for Thursday and into Black Friday. And then as we take a more detailed look at the forecast, you'll notice it'll be a bit of a muggy start with that moisture. No rain concerns for the morning, but then around lunchtime into dinner time is when we'll be tracking about a 20 to 30% chance for those showers as highs peak in the lower 80s. Now, it's not going to be a washout, but I would encourage you to keep the umbrella nearby. Something to be thankful for, no areas of concern in the tropics. We've got a week left in hurricane season. As we take a look at your forecast for tomorrow out for my boaters, no alerts for the Atlantic waters nor the Florida Keys. 7-day forecast shows that a cool down into the upper 70s is expected just in time for the upcoming weekend. Chelsea?